I'm bad. Man can't call me name to my bill. No one.
For real, man.
You trouble you. You want that little to watch. You see me come for work and come tap for your yard. Because me usually do it and make you alright. And you don't respect me.
Later.
I will again. You see me not review out though? You don't know when they are me after. Never go in.
I'm to your bicycle.
You go buy one new bike. Go buy one new bike. Can you got different to money buy one brand new bike?
So one of them boys they can't piece them a shape. Mine boy them a trouble you know. Mine man them a trouble you can't piece you know.
Because bicycle me put it on the right good and me still start target him.
So I'm it there now.
Nah, pedal over. I make a big foot, I make a big foot some money for it. And he didn't have money. But he can't, he have to carry me for 1 year.
1 year?
You know, man, touch it.
Problem that I don't know. So what you going to do?
No, buy my bicycle, I go back to buy.
So how much money that man? I'm for one bicycle.
I don't want to try nobody. You know what I 6 months. When the bomb clock make you do, but make a pardon. You hear me, you me after. Give my room for me. Give my room. Wait it. Me no come here ask him. I like.
True.
Give my room. I'm a friend. Me say wait it. Me no come here ask him. Come. Me say wait it. Me family me no. Me go to my family. Oh, I like me a tell. Me not tell lie, man. Lie don't put me no way. If you know no man no win nothing with that fucking ticket. I got back, man. Then what about the work? Half year I work can hold me long. Alright? Half year.
If you don't make anything with me, can't better work with my machine do for you, man. Can't better work with me.
Yo, Tom. You know what I call Joe? You know what I call Joe? Tapi nak gila aja, gila sih. Give me food feet all this thing too. Why no food now? Come here. Yeah, man, no you cook no food, you know. Me like I'm with a minister food come here. You think me nice?
How do you live?
What do you mean? If you are my friend, you hear me? And you treat him good, for him go everywhere. And you don't get nothing. Never look for him one day and get $150 for him by the doctor, right? What do you like that friend? That is a good friend.
We would undo him. We would undo him. We would undo him.
Nah, do nothing. Want me not go back when they come and fight him, fuck her.